Hello, welcome to my dream wood shop. I have a company in which we make caskets, and we were doing most of our work in the crowded garage. So we decided it was time to build a real shop primarily for my business making caskets, but also I do a lot of other little eclectic projects. That's kind of what I do. This is the back of the old garage, complete with the old windows. And what was funny about this garage is it was tilted. So the first thing we had to do was push this back up. We used a jack system.
Yeah. Oh, it's going. It didn't move. Nope, I didn't see it move at all. Alright.
We had an existing slab patio here, and we just poured this concrete right over the top of that and made it a bigger slab. We embedded some conduit with wiring to bring power to the eventual workbench.
An expert, but that felt like really heavy tempered glass to me.
Yeah, well, you nailed it.
Then we framed it, sheathed it, and insulated. My buddy with O'Keefe built brought me over some old fence wood for the siding.
Out of nails.
The windows and the skylight were from Restore, and I scored some cool old stained glass from Craigslist. It was interesting when we were cutting the fence boards into siding boards. I hit a piece of metal with the saw, and when I looked in there I had cut a bullet in half, a slug that was embedded in the fence. I put that in this little knot right here. Next we got some river rock and made a stone wall facade. I used some of the peach tree leaves to imprint the step. And we made the rocks pop with some old linseed oil. Note that we built this whole structure around this peach tree, which holds some sentimental value for me. I planted it from a peach pit that was from another remodel project we had done. We decked the old garage attic for storage. Inside we got things insulated, not without a little sweat, tears, and blood. For the ceilings we used the same stuff I used to make the caskets, some beetle kill or blue stained pine. We got the drywall up, and then I applied my customary skip trowel texture. We trimmed everything out in blue stain as well. This stuff had a lot of beetle galleries in it. I got a bit of a hodgepodge of cabinets from Restore. The island workbench was a puzzle that we had to assemble. One cabinet we turned upside down, and then we put some others in there, and we had to get the height just right. We built a downdraft table for the dust. I modified my old router table and we added that to the table saw. We created a home for all the tools and supplies and little workstations for various tasks with a dust collection system throughout. I kept the compressor in the old garage to minimize noise. And of course we had to set up a nice sound system. Things got a little messy in the old garage until we were able to organize it in the new shop. And then we cleaned that out, and hey, we can park a car in it now. And I have to plug our little electric vehicle, which cost under $10,000 used and saves us hundreds of dollars a year. We were finally ready to get to work. We call this casketry. I set this up so it is exactly 1/2 inch below regulation height for a ping pong table. And the ping pong table, of course, adds that other 1/2 inch. Kind of rustic caskets. I don't need super high value equipment. I'm not a master craftsman. And I do some other work as well. And the other big purpose for the shop is it's a staging area for all the remodel work that I do. So one of the best parts about having this dedicated space is I've got drawers with labels on them, so everything's got a home. So even though this place does get cluttered and messed up, it's really easy to get it back to an organized or semi-organized state. All told, we put about 10 grand into this, not including my labor. If you're interested in seeing some of the other projects we've done in this shop, some of our remodel work, or a number of other things, check out our channel, Papa's Cottage, and subscribe. We've got some new videos, some fun projects that'll be coming up on the site shortly. This damn fly. What? Shh. So this shop, she's making me laugh, created a... Yes,
Bloopers.